Unpack and assemble all components. The quick-release, modular design enables full assembly in under 2 minutes. Install the quick-release tail boom. The design ensures both speed and operational safety. Deploy the antennas. Open the drone's nose cover and install the power battery. A fully charged battery provides a maximum flight endurance of up to 100 minutes. Mount the quick-release main rotor blades. The foolproof mechanism ensures fast and secure installation. Install mission payloads. The aircraft features a universal payload interface and 2 under-fuselage mounting points that can be used simultaneously. The system supports a maximum payload capacity of 5 kilograms. Assemble the communication base station. ODM customized versions are available with 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 30 kilometers, and 48 kilometers communication ranges. The current setup is the 30 kilometers version. Power on the control terminal, communication base station, and the F15 UAV to complete pre-flight setup. Open the flight route planning interface to create a new mission. Set the cruise speed based on the environment and mission profile. The flight speed can also be adjusted dynamically during mission execution. For the return action, select straight line return. Carefully check for any potential obstacles along the return route that could pose a safety risk. Add new waypoints as needed. All other parameters can remain at default values. Long press and drag any waypoint to reposition it easily, intuitive and efficient. Once the route is planned, open the waypoint list to fine-tune individual waypoint parameters or assign specific actionfully customizable mission profiles. Exit the route planning interface. Switch the gimbal camera. During the mission execution, you can switch the content displayed on the control station at any time, map or camera video. Open the flight settings menu. Verify safety parameters such as return altitude, lost link return behavior, obstacle avoidance, low battery protection, and joystick mode. These settings can be tailored to the user and mission environment. Finalize the configuration and prepare to unlock for takeoff. Tap the unlock button and slide the slider to the right to arm the aircraft. Safety critical commands such as lock or land are executed by sliding in other directions, reducing the risk of accidental input from muscle memory, ensuring maximum operational safety. Wait for the propellers to reach takeoff RPM. Proceed with manual or automatic takeoff. The UAV has taken off. Operators may now proceed with mission execution, choosing between manual control or fully autonomous flight depending on the task. The camera locks on the target for tracking and performs laser ranging. Enter automatic waypoint flight mode. Payload systems, such as the gimbal or additional onboard modules, remain fully operable during flight. Manual override is available at any time, without interrupting the automatic flight path. Upon mission completion, the UAV automatically enters return to home mode. From takeoff to landing, the entire mission can be fully autonomous, with manual intervention possible at any stage.